Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Matic video update. And this is right now looking at the 4 hour candlestick. Let me dive into the 1 hour time frame, and don't get excited about this pattern because this is the bearish cup and handle. So this is how it looks like. And number two, not only is it a bearish cup and handle, but this is actually more like a head and shoulder. So left shoulder, head here, and the right shoulder. But you might say that yeah, then doesn't head and head and shoulder make sense when it's in an uptrend, and that actually is true. It does make more sense when it's in an uptrend. So this is not this is a bearish cup and handle of a downtrend. Okay, so I want to show you what a bearish cup and handle really looks like. So, Bitcoin has that one as well. So let's write in here bearish cup and handle, and I'm going to show you that image just like this one. Okay, so it does look like a head and shoulder, but actually the thing that you don't understand is that this is how it looks like. So this one, you make that cup and the handle. On a nutshell, this is how it looks like. This is the bullish part of it on the left side, and then on the right side you actually have the bearish inverse cup and handle. This is what it's known as. So this inverse cup and handle, ladies and gentlemen, is actually looking to take you from there to there, and that's going to be a price drop of nearly 7274. And by the way, if you start to lose 7274, that's actually just a ticket to hell, because I do see it dropping all the way down to 694 something, right? So if this is some sort of a flag, right, if you do have the bear flag right here, then we're talking about Matic in the next week as well, dropping all the way from there to there. And on the daily, we're looking for a price target to come down to 0.57 something, just the blue line that I told you before, 0.5965. It will get a little bit of a relief here until we don't drop any more down along with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin does look like it's going to go to $8,000. So do watch the update on the channel to know why that is so. And that's pretty much it for this update on Matic. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.